Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the 330 lb capacity folding hand truck Dolly cart, a portable and versatile solution for all your moving needs. Crafted with high-strength steel and aluminum alloy, this sturdy hand truck can effortlessly handle up to 330 pounds, making it perfect for heavy-duty tasks. Its foldable and collapsible design ensures easy storage in your car or garage, while the 6.5-inch upgraded rubber wheels provide smooth and quiet maneuverability on various surfaces. Weighing just 13 pounds, this lightweight Dolly cart is easy to carry and requires no assembly, simply unfold it in seconds and you're ready to go. Ideal for shopping, business travel, and office use, it comes with expert tips to prolong its service life, ensuring you get the most out of your purchase. Plus, with a 1-year warranty and a focus on quality and customer satisfaction, you can trust that this hand truck will meet your expectations. Remember to step on the front of the base to unfold it, and when you're done, just press the handle forward to fold it back up effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.